All right, welcome Dreamedia family. We are about to get this show on the road, and I can't tell you how excited I am to be out here today. We got this whole room prepped, and I've actually I got documentation which we'll put up on screen right now of the whole build process. This entire room has offset studs with the insulation woven in between, completely soundproofed with the soundboard. But if you hear right now my voice, I want you to take note. Maybe we do a slap test. Listen to the reverb. Although we've insulated the room and the room is soundproofed or deadened from the rest of the house, it's still not acoustically sound. It's not the acoustic performance that I would like for my speaker system. So what we're gonna be doing, you guys probably have rooms like this that in your own home where you're like, wow, pretty nasty reverb. You hear that slap echo? So today we're not only installing all of the audio video equipment, but we're installing this new Cinelog system that we have the exclusive on here at Dreamedia. I'm very excited to see the aesthetic as well as the audio performance change in this room. So we're gonna be installing today a 9.4.6 Dolby Atmos system throughout this entire room. In addition to, we're gonna have our NZ900 8K projector mounted up here, feeding back to our Trinog and our Mad VR with Kaleidoscape. All of the industry leaders. So we have our pre-construction brackets installed throughout the entire room. We got our RGBW linear lighting terminations here on the wall, as well as we have our cat cabling, we have our HDMI up to our projector, and we got speaker wires ran to all of the speakers throughout the room. Now, if you notice, we have 4 subwoofers with dual 12s. We're gonna have, what is that? 24, 48, we're gonna have 48 inches of bass front and back. 48 inches of bass up here, 48 inches of bass in the rear. And we're gonna be powering this entire system up externally in our rack. So what's really cool about this space is it shows off what a lot of you guys are requesting from us, which is more floor space. You want to have as many seats as possible in the room, and you want it to feel spacious. That's why we sell so many in-wall speakers. And with these pre-construction brackets installed, the installation should be a breeze. So that's going to be the first step of our installation. We're going to be bringing in all of the speakers, unboxing them, and moving on to the installation of our in-wall speakers. All right, guys, let's go. All right, check it out, guys. We just brought in all the boxes. I just want to give you a run through of what we're going to be using today. The speakers featured in this room are going to be the RBH speakers. RBH Sound has high performance output speakers featuring AMT tweeters and aluminum drivers. If you want reference level playback with literally endless headroom, RBH is a great selection. So we're going to be using the SI 1212s, and we have 4 of these bad boys. We're going to be putting these in front left and right and rear left and right for a double bass array. We got SI 61s that will be going for surrounds. Surround rears, yeah, these are all exactly the same. So SI 61Rs, we're going to be using these for front wides, surrounds, and surround rears. And then these are our fronts right here. We got the big boys, the SI 661R, and these are going to go across our front soundstage. 1, 2, and where's the third one? Right here. 3. Okay. And then we got a 6-1 here.
All right, guys, the ultimate challenge. Can we install a full 9.8.6 Dolby Atmos system in under 30 minutes? That's gonna be our goal. We're gonna hit the start button on the timer over here and see how quick. We got a 4-man crew, including myself, 3 guys that are really gonna be doing the heavy lifting, and I'm gonna try to show you guys along the way as well how these go in. Very easy to install. The back boxes are already in. We're just gonna pop them in as fast as possible. Let's start the timer. Come over here, Ed. All right, just so you guys can see we're not lying to you, we got our timer right here. We're gonna start it up. All right, let's go. All right, 1 speaker, done. All right, check it out. I'm over here working on our front soundstage, our LCRs. I'm gonna start popping these bad boys. Comment down below. Do you guys think we can do this full 9.8.6 in under 30 minutes? We're cruising. Okay, our front right's in. Hey, look at Carlos. We're only 2.5 minutes in. We're straight cruising. Boom. We got our Atmos fronts in. I'm moving on to my center speaker. Check it out, guys. Quick and easy connection. Come look at this. Over here on this side, Airden. Black to black, red to red. Very easy, quick, nice install. I'll pop this bad boy right in. We've already got in our surround left and our surround back right. Oh man, we're cranking. All right, we got our both front ceiling speakers in. We got our front center speaker in and our front right speaker. Look at this. We already got our surround left. We're working on our surround rear left, surround rear right, and surround. These puppies are flying. It's gonna be like 10 minutes. This install is cruising. Got the full front soundstage in. Check it, guys. Front left, front right, center speakers are all installed. We are straight cruising. Now I'm gonna be moving on to the big subwoofers, okay? All right, guys, just like the other speakers, this is a passive subwoofer, so we're just making our speaker connections right here. Oh. All right. That thing is a beast. Whew. Yeah, all this stuff is what's getting in our way. All this. So if you guys are doing this installation at home, keep in mind that the flange right here has to be totally open all the way around in order for it to fit in. If there's anything blocking this flange, it's not gonna go in seamless. So make sure you knock away any texture and mud that's stuck in there so that the speaker fits in more smoothly. And there's actually a little flange between the flange and the speaker front plate itself. There's a little piece of foam. So you want to give it a good amount of pressure around each screw. You don't want to over tighten it and strip it out, but you want it to be suction sealed into that back box. We're only 19 minutes in, so I think we can do it. Just requiring a little bit of work. Oop, shit. Okay, finish line. All good. Let's just move on. All right. What are we at? What's our time? 21 minutes. Are you kidding me, guys? That was pretty impressive. All right, take a pan around. We got all 9 channels for the bed layer in. We got our in-ceiling Atmos, 6 of them, and then we got all of our corner-loaded subwoofers. 21 minutes. Comment down below if you think you can do it faster. All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap. If you want to get your home theater done, you know who to call.